Go.
Hi. Hi there. What's your name?
Marley.
Marley who?
Marley Bell.
Hi Marley, but what do you have here?
The ingredients
Ingredients for what?
for fruit salad.
Fruit salad? What kind of fruit salad?
Filipino fruit salad.
You're gonna make Filipino fruit salad? Nice. Can you tell me the ingredients? What do you have there? What are these big things?
Fruit salad.
No, so you need giant fruit cocktail?
Giant fruit cocktail.
And what else?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Jackfruit.
Wait, slow down. So we need pineapple. What about this one?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit, okay.
And coconut.
Okay, coconut.
And green
what kind of
color.
coconut? Shredded coconut?
Shredded coconut. And green karate.
No, these are not green karate. What are these?
Green karate.
It's called nata de coco.
Nata de coco.
Can you say nata de coco?
Nata de coco.
Good. What else do you need? You have these 3 cans over here. What are these?
Cream.
Cream.
Condensed cream.
And these 2 are cream, Nestle table cream. And what is this? Condensed?
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Good job, Marley.
And coconut jelly.
And coconut jelly. Can you show me the coconut jelly again? We have 3 different kinds of coconut jelly. We have a white coconut jelly.
Yeah.
And what color is this? Green? Green coconut jelly? Are you excited to make fruit salad?
Yeah.
Yes. What else do you need? We need a big bowl,
Yeah.
right? Let me see if we can get a big bowl.
Okay. I will reach.
Okay, Marley, you told us about the ingredients, and then what else do you need?
A bowl. A really big bowl.
A really big bowl. And what else? What else you got next to your bowl?
A stranger.
A stranger?
A drainer.
A drainer? Let me see. Whoa, that's a big drainer or
You
strainer.
know how to hold it.
That's right. So what are we going to do with the strainer?
We're gonna.
So first we got to open all the cans, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then put water.
No, I don't think we put water. I think we have to open it all and then remove the water. Remove the juice, right? How do we remove the juice? We have to use what? We have to use? What do you have there?
We need to set
What's this one? You have to?
a bowl.
You have to remove the juice using a strainer
Yeah.
and a bowl, right? And then
So-
where do you? So
So
then what do you do with the fruits?
you mix it up
Where?
in here.
That's right. So you mix the fruit with the cream.
Yeah.
Where's the cream? You mean this one?
Yeah.
And the milk? Right? Oh, we forgot a secret ingredient. You want to tell them about the secret ingredient?
Oh yeah.
Hold on, let's go get it. 1 second. Okay, Marley, what's our secret ingredient? Did you get it? Where? Where's the mango?
Right here.
Whoa! What kind of mango are those?
Filipino.
Filipino mango. They look like Manila mango, right? What are we gonna do with those?
Mash it with a blender.
That's right. Turn them into a juice?
Yeah.
Yes, and then we're gonna, what do we do with the juice?
We take it out
And then where do we add it?
in here.
That's right. And that's our secret ingredient. All right, Marley Bell.
I'm gonna drop it.
Oh, okay, then put it on the table with the other ingredients.
But Mom, it's gonna get dirty.
It's okay, we'll wash it. Alright, Marley, are you ready to make our, what are we making again?
Filipino fruit salad.
Filipino fruit salad. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go! Say yay! Oh, hi there, Marley. How are you doing?
Good.
What are you doing right now?
Mixing.
What are you mixing? Can you show me?
Fruit salad.
Oh, you got all the fruits there?
Yeah.
So now what else do we need to add? We still need to add our cream, milk, nata de coco, and our special ingredient, our mango puree, right?
And coconut jelly.
And coconut jelly. All right, I'm gonna help you mix all those stuff together, okay?
Okay.
All right, 1 second. Oh, hi, Marley. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. What have you been up to?
It's mixing.
What are you mixing?
The fruits.
The fruits? Let me see. Whoa, too close.
The fruit salad.
Can you show
is
Mommy?
Really good.
Yeah?
Ta-da!
So you got everything in there? The fruit?
All of the fruits are good.
And what else? The cream?
Yeah.
And the milk?
Yeah.
And now you're just mixing? Oh, it's okay. I'll go give you a tissue. Hold on. All right, Marley, can I zoom in and show our friends our fruit salad?
No friends.
On the video.
Oh.
Where's your friends?
Oh, just America.
Okay, Mirabel, I'm Marley Bell. Yes, your sister is your friend over there. But I mean, they're friends on the video. Who wants to learn how to make Filipino fruit salad, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you show me?
Oh.
Did you mix all that together?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And how does it taste?
Good.
Good. Sweet?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah. After. Keep mixing, though.
Try it.
Marley, we forgot to mention how old you are. How old are you, Marley?
Yes, we did that.
Not on video. How old are you?
4.
Can you show me? That's 4? That's right. And you made your very first? What is that?
Fruit salad.
That's right. Say, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoy making this.
I hope you enjoy making this.
Look over here. Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Hey, Marley. What are you doing there?
Eating
Eating? What are you eating?
fruit salad.
The fruit salad you made?
Yeah,
How is it?
good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up? Good. Is it too sweet?
No.
No, just right?
Yeah.
All right. What do you say?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you later.